Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with my best friend, Dee.
Hi guys.
And today we're going to remake RCL Beauty's DIY, what was it called again?
Peel off makeup tattoos.
Peel off makeup tattoos. Hope you stay tuned and watch the full video.
Enjoy.
You're going to need non-toxic glue,
3 small bottles of food dye, any color you choose.
3 containers, doesn't matter what the size is.
And you're going to need 6 Q-tips.
First, you're going to add 2 dollops of glue to each container. Then we're going to put 2 to 3 drops of food coloring into the glue. We chose green, blue, and red. Then stir your mixture. This is extremely hard because I only have one hand.
Make sure to stir it so that way you see no white spots, just the complete color.
And make sure you test it on your hand for safety. You may be allergic, and that's not good. Now it's time to try it on. Right now it's very hard to move your lips.
It honestly hurts. Like, and like your mouth, you move, but like, look at it.
It's about time, like,
to take it off and peel this thing off.
good 15 minutes. Good 15.
16 probably.
Maybe, yeah.
Let's see how it works.
So now we're gonna peel it off. At least I feel like it's gonna peel off.
It feels completely dry, so now we should see how well.
Oh no.
It can be a little hard to peel.
This might be a DIY fail, guys.
You get it. I can take the time to peel it off.
So we just finished peeling it off, which took a very long time.
It was extremely time consuming.
It did work. Just, it looks like we just came from 7-Eleven eating slushies. So, was this a DI fail or DI grail?
I would say it's a mixture.
Leave it in the comments below. And everyone have a nice day.
Don't
Bye.
forget to subscribe.
Hey, D. Shut up.